News is brought to you by Elite Exteriors, roofing, siding, windows, and gutters.
All right, we're back. 5:13 is the time. Once again, the stormy, active weather pattern is going to continue on and off through the week. The interesting thing now, and this is just kind of how these scenarios play out, after the storms overnight, a majority of our Tuesday looks to be dry. It's going to be kind of warm and humid, so if you have outdoor plans, maybe golf outings, I know some people were asking about that yesterday. Winds won't be much of a factor. Humidity will be up, but the chance of rain pretty low this morning. I'll show you the heavy storms on radar in a moment south of us, but it looks like we have a slight chance maybe for a storm to develop, kind of a rogue thunderstorm to develop later today. Looks like we have to wait for what develops over western Nebraska and western and central parts of Kansas to kind of move in overnight. So we'll watch for that. Otherwise, the scattered showers and storms still in the forecast enough to keep threat tracker elevated in the yellow or moderate category. So not out of the woods, but we do get a little bit of a break through a good part of our Tuesday. Outside this morning, it is warm, it is muggy, 60 degrees, the humidity back down to 90%. And even since midnight, additional rain out at the airport, close to 1/4 of an inch on top of what we saw yesterday, and some of those amounts already being estimated over an inch, especially over northwestern and west central parts of the metro here. You can see temperatures, a few of them updating on the fly right now, still showing 64 in Red Oak. Lincoln, you've dipped back to 60 degrees, Fremont 58, and then a little cooler for Norfolk and Columbus, both spots there at 55. All right, we'll get right to it with our exclusive Viper HD radar. Here's the shower and storm clusters that moved across the area, say between about 11 and 1 last night. You could see a lot of that weakening in central Iowa, but still going strong are the heavy thunderstorms down across northern Kansas, and some of that kind of straddling the state line there between Nebraska and Kansas. So we'll watch for that. Extreme southeast Nebraska could get a little rain. It looks like we have rain coming to the metro. That's just actually some of the cloud blow off the tops of these storms. The radar reads that, so not a lot falling here. You have to get down near the border, and then heavy storms coming in to Topeka, back toward Manhattan, Salina, and potentially moving into KC here as we head through the morning. For us, though, again, you'll notice the absence of color other than gray and white, some scattered clouds, again, off the tops of the rain to the south of us here. Temperatures will quickly climb through the 60s. I actually think we'll see some sunshine mixed with the clouds today, and notice we may go mostly sunny for a time this afternoon, and we're dry. At least a lot of our computer models in agreement that we stay dry through most of today. Showers and storms will move back in though tonight and should gradually weaken after midnight, but you can see the slight risk basically from the Platte River west, and then we still have the marginal risk, and again, this is mainly for overnight tonight. We still could be talking some heavier storms. All right, some spots have already seen over an inch of rain. This is additional rain as we head from especially tonight through the end of the weekend, or at least through Sunday evening, locally 3 to as much as 5 inches of additional rain. So very active weather continues. Obviously, the storm chance a little bit late this afternoon. More so tonight. Plan on rain, maybe kind of a noisy overnight again as we drop to 63, and a few of those storms could be heavy. Otherwise, forecasting as we head towards tomorrow, looks like an early, then again late chance. Thursday looks kind of stormy. We're under the slight risk for severe weather both days as of the latest update there. And then temperatures stay relatively warm right through the holiday weekend. But unfortunately, the rain chance is still in there. Pretty high probabilities. Again, none of these days will be washouts, at least the way it stands right now, but certainly we can't take out the rain of any one of the next 7 days here. All right, and with that being said, given the month of May, already some heavier storms through parts of the area yesterday. Fortunately, no severe weather in town last night. It was noisy at times, though. Good idea to download Storm Shield to your smartphone in case we do get under threats, because we are under the gun a little bit really the rest of the week. You get that sent right to your phone. Of course, you can do the voice call to the old-fashioned landline as well. All right, 5:17 is the time right now. A muggy 60 degrees. Another look from I-480 and Dodge. Still pretty quiet out there. We'll have much more, including sports, right after the break.